This is an unboxing video for the BlueFinger keyboard and mouse. I needed a new keyboard and mouse, and so I ended up going with this one. Oh, looks like it comes with a nice little mouse pad here. That's kind of a cool addition. Let's see what else we got here. So here's the keyboard. Looks pretty great. It does light up, so keep that in mind. Nice fancy weaved cord here. And then here's the box for the mouse. Let's get this opened up. All right. Nice little weaved cord again for it. Packing is real good. Oh. And then there's the mouse. Looks really nice. Feels really good too. Yeah, this is an awesome set.